Good morning, everyone. So today we're just going to talk about work, how to calculate work. Okay, please watch this till the end. So first thing you need to know is work is the transfer of energy from one object to another. So this man is transferring energy, making this object move. This man is transferring his energy here, making this object move. This is called work. Okay, now the formula for work, to calculate work, you have work equals to force times distance. Okay, so work is measured in joules, so J. Force is measured in Newton, so N, and distance is measured in meters, so M. Now in the worksheet, okay, I'm going to be asking you about the unit of measurement for each one, work, force, and distance. Okay, so you're going to need to put them, because I'm going to ask about each one of these. So you're going to need to say joules, Newton, and meters. Okay, also in the worksheet I will be asking you what's the formula, and you have to write this. So if you just write them from here, if you just open this slide here in the PowerPoint and you take the answers from here, you will not you will take the full mark. Okay, so this is the formula, this is the work formula, and these are the units of measurement. Please take them from here, don't try to guess and write something wrong. Okay, now how do we calculate work? Let's do one example together. Forget about this page, we'll do one example together. Okay, so Malik uses a force of 20 Newton to move a box a distance of 4 meters. So he moved it 4 meters. Okay, and he used the force of 20 Newton. Calculate the work. So we have to calculate the work. First we write the formula. Work equals to force times distance. Okay, that means W equals F times D. Make it easier, just make it WFD. It means work equals to, what is the force? 20. So I write here 20 Newton times D. What is the distance? 4. So I write here 4 meter. So I write here work equals to 20 times 4 is how much? 80. So I write 80 and I write J. Why? Because the unit of measurement of work is what? Joules. So I write J and I do this. So how much? Calculate the work. How much is the work? W80J. If you don't write all the steps, you see this is step. If you don't write all the steps, I will consider it a 0. If you just tell me work equals to 80G, I will give you a 0. Okay, I will not give you a grade. You have to write the steps, otherwise I will not give you a grade. Let's do another example. Saif uses a force of 8 Newton to kick a ball a distance of 20 meters. Calculate work. Okay, so we write work equals distance. Sorry, it's better to put force times distance. So work, F equals to, W equals to F times D. So W equals to, how much is the force? It's 8 Newton times D. How much is the distance? It's 20 meters. W equals to 2 times 8, 16. There's the 0, bring it here. It's J. Now you can use a calculator. W equals to 160J. You can use a calculator if you want to multiply. Okay, this is times multiply. If you want to multiply, you don't know the answer, it's fine, use a calculator. Even in the quiz, just use a calculator, no big deal. Okay, now in the worksheet, I'm going to show you the worksheet you have to do today. Here in the worksheet, here you have to write the unit of measurements. You have to get them from the PowerPoint. Okay, force is Newton, distance is meter, work or energy is joules. Okay, now you write the work equation, you write it over here. Okay, you get it from the PowerPoint as well. It's also here, this is the work equation, so easy, just get it from here, same thing. Okay, now I did this number 1 as an example. Number 1 is an example. You have to do number 2 and 3 the same way I did number 1. If you skip all the steps and you only write this, I will consider it wrong. So I'm gonna write here for you on this page down here. Okay, I'm gonna say you can use a calculator, and I'm gonna say here down there, no wait, hold on, and down there, do not forget to write all the steps. Okay, I wrote this here for you so you don't forget these 2 things. Okay, if you don't write all the steps, you just give me a number, like I don't know. If you don't write all the steps, I will consider it wrong. Okay, good luck, please finish.